Not a lot to talk about the array, or actually, a string is an array in Python. Let me give you here. For example, I create a variable named person, and then give a string to that. I say I love uh, the variable on the screen, and let it go here. Okay, now if I want just print first character of this one, so I just copy the same thing and I just say give me the first one. The first one is the empty. Actually, I should give you a, if I give you a 0, give me I. Here it is. If I print, that's give me just letter I. So on the string, this is 0, 1. And if I just put 3, if I just print 3, it give me, I have here 2, it give me a L. So, and again, keep continue, same thing. What does it give us? So it gives us 1 by 1. So this is called array. Array starts from index, the 0, here's a space, nothing, so it's going to be empty. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, constantly go there. So that is the array we are using there, and this string is an array in Python.